Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
First, identify when the screen lag occurs and what triggers it most often. Check for app overload and background processes consuming CPU and memory. Close or force stop apps that use excessive resources to test performance quickly. Restart the device to clear temporary caches and reset graphics drivers. Verify battery saver or power modes that reduce refresh rates and limit performance. Note screen resolution and display refresh rate settings, and lower them if they exceed device capability. Run a benchmark app to record frame rate and stutter. Begin by updating your operating system and graphics drivers to the latest stable versions. Clear at least 10% to 20% of internal storage to improve swap and caching behavior. Disable or reduce background syncing for apps that refresh constantly, like social feeds. Turn off excessive animations and set developer animation scales to 1/10 if available. If using an external monitor, replace the cable and test different ports for signal integrity. Finally, run a live monitor of CPU and GPU temperature to prevent thermal throttling. Set display refresh rate to a supported value, like 60 Hz or 90 Hz, depending on hardware. Lower screen resolution from native if the device struggles with high pixel counts. Use performance or high-performance power modes when running demanding apps or games. Uninstall or offload rarely used apps that consume background resources and storage space. Keep firmware and app updates automated to receive GPU and display optimizations promptly. If issues persist, backup data and perform a factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.